Okay, hi everyone. So today let's discuss this interesting problem. So it says a diver having a moment of inertia of 6 kilogram meter square about an axis through its center of mass rotates at an angular speed of 2 radian per second about this axis. If he folds his hands and feet to decrease the moment of inertia to 5 kilogram meter square, what will be the new angular speed? So इस तरह से हमारे पास एक person है initially standing like this, and there is an axis passing through the center of mass of this person, and this person is rotating about this axis with initial angular speed of 2 radian per second, and moment of inertia of this person about this axis is also given, that is 6 kilogram meter square. Now what happens कि ये जो person है अपने hands को and फीट को फोल्ड कर लेता है सो दैट मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया डिक्रीज हो जाता है ना. मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया क्यों डिक्रीज हो जाएगा? बिकॉज इफ दैट पर्सन folds his hand and feet something like this, then the distance of the particles from the axis of rotation will decrease. अब देखो जो हाथ हैं और जो फीट हैं उनके जो पार्टिकल्स हैं उनका जो डिस्टेंस है फ्रॉम द एक्सिस ऑफ रोटेशन वो डिक्रीज हो जाएगा. देयरफॉर जो मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया वो डिक्रीज हो गया टू 5 किलोग्राम मीटर स्क्वायर. सो व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ ओमेगा हेयर? दैट इज़ द एंगुलर वेलोसिटी. सो आप देखो, इफ़ आई टेक दिस पर्सन एज माई सिस्टम, इज़ देयर एनी एक्सटर्नल टॉर्क एक्टिंग ऑन द सिस्टम? देखो जो फोर्स यूज़ होगा टू fold the hand and the feet, that will be kind of internal force. So there is no external force acting on the system, or you can say there is no net external torque acting on the system. If there is no external torque acting on the system, then we can conserve the angular momentum of the system. What is the initial angular momentum? That is 6 into 2, that is 12, right? Angular momentum is I into omega. So initial angular momentum is 12, that is equal to final angular momentum, that is 5 into omega. So from here you will get the value of omega final, right? That is 12 upon 5. So I think you have understood. Let me know if you still have any confusion. We can discuss further. Okay guys, keep working out. Best of luck. Bye.